Good day, sir. I am your RT Aljon Arellano, and now I am going to do the ipapaya for you. But first things first, what do you want me to call you and what's your name?
My name is Bander Imondihar and you can call me Bander.
Bander. Okay, Sir Bander, I would like to ask you some questions. Okay. So, yeah. So, do you have any family history or illness po ba, including cancer?
Wala po.
Wala. Allergies po, sir?
Wala po.
Wala rin. Tuberculosis?
Wala rin.
Wala rin. Lifestyle habits, nag-i-smoke po ba sila or occupational hazard?
Hindi po.
Hindi. Okay. Any medication taken? Nag-iinom po ba kayo ng gamot?
Wala po.
Wala. Current problems like swelling, coughs, wheezing, pain, wala po?
Wala po.
Okay. So now I am going to inspect your sir, from your thorax and lungs. This would be my assessment for you to know if your chest diameter and your back is good. And let's proceed, sir. So now, sir, Bander, I want you to stand up. So let's proceed to the thorax posterior. So dito makikita natin kung yung chest diameter ni Sir Bander is normal, which is 0.8 for 0.9 diameter. So the chest diameter of surgery there are no abnormalities that I can see, but now let's proceed sa spinal cord niya. So sir, please bend for me. So okay sir, thank you. Sa spinal cord naman ni sir, there are no other curves like scoliosis, so we can expect and assume that the spinal cord of Sir Bander is normal. So now that we conducted the inspection, now let's proceed for the palpation. For we are going to find any tenderness, and we are going to do the chest expansion din para to know if there is a sign of any atelectasis. So sir, I'm going to palpate you now. Is it okay? Right. Masay po ba?
Wala po.
Masay po? Right? So now magsabi kayo ng 1, 2, 3 sir while I am doing that. Is it okay? Alright, so start.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So sabi ni sir, there is no any kind of masakit sa kanyang katawan while doing the checking of palpation sa kanya. So now let's proceed to the chest expansion. Sir, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Alright. So, while I was checking the chest expansion, normal naman, my hands movement are equal. Wala pong naiiwan or wala din pong sumusobra. Sakto lang ang aking kamay na paggalaw sa kanyang respiration. So now that the thoracic posterior back is okay naman, let's proceed to the percussion. So now that we have conducted the inspection in the palpation earlier, so let's proceed now to the percussion. Here we are going to hear the percussion note, which is the resonant. And while doing that, we are going to inspect, we are going to find then the tactile primitus if it's normal or not. So let's proceed, sir. Magpa-percuss na po ako sa inyo, sir. Alright. Sir, before ko mag-percuss sa inyo, sir, pwede ko mag-percuss. Alright. Inhale. Exhale. 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 So now the tactile primitus is now okay, and we're going now to measure the inhalation and the expiration of the patient. We're going to use a ruler and a pencil. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Right. Thank you, sir. So now that everything is like inspection palpation, and percussion is done, let's proceed to the last one, which is the auscultation. Sa auscultation po is we use our hearing. So we have the stethoscope to use to hear the breath sounds inside the posterior thorax of sir or the patient. So let's proceed. Sir, please, when you inhale or exhale, please use your mouth. Is it okay? All right. So let's start. All right. So next up is that, sir, can you say 99 while doing that? All right. So, next.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
All right. So after the 99, we are now at the last. Please, sir, say A. If the normal patient says A, means he is normal. If the patient says A, that's abnormalities, and there is something wrong with the patient. So now, say A, sir.
A, 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 A.
All right. So now that we are done sa posterior thorax, sir, let's proceed to the anterior thorax, sir, which is sa harap. Let's do the tactile fremitus first using your same kanina. Pero mag-proceed ka muna sa may bandang clavicle papunta sa baba. Alright. Inhale, sir. Exhale. Inhale. 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 Exhale. Alright. So now, tapos na ako mag-check sa tactile fremitus, sir. And since sa posterior thorax, sir, the anterior thorax of the tactile fremitus is the same, is normal. So now, let's do the auscultation sa harap ni sir. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Alright. So now, sir, the same way, pero gamitin niyo po yung bunga niyo to breathe in and to breathe out. Again, to breathe in and to breathe out, right? Now. Right. Sir Bander, on the hair, tama. So, sir, to sum up everything, your spine is vertically aligned straight. So, normal siya, sir. And then while palpating for your anterior and posterior thorax naman, sir, your skin is intact and temperature is uniform, like no tenderness. Yeah. And wala ding masses. While I was listening to your breath sound naman, sir, it was also normal. And your breathing pattern is quiet. Yes. And then, it is quiet, rhythmic, and effortless respiration. Basically, everything is normal. Do you have any questions, sir, or clarification?
Wala na po.
Wala na. So, okay, sir. Thank you for your time.